Alan Knuckman of Agora Financial joins us now with a weekly options alert. Good to see you, Alan. Your
Good morning,
trader
Angie.
thoughts on the market?
New highs once again. We've seen this over and over again. Never gets old. But I do want to talk about Bitcoin.
You do want to talk about Bitcoin because everybody is buzzing about Bitcoin.
I'm almost exhausted. It's been a 1 week of trading the futures, so that's legitimized the market. I come from the school. It's not what you trade, it's how you trade. So I'm going to wait until there's liquidity. It's great for price discovery to have this futures contract, but I'm going to wait some time, and I'm probably going to wait until there's actually options on Bitcoin, because then we have the risk control and we get the higher returns using options.
I'm looking forward to that as well. Let's take a look at some of your trades, though, that you've previously put on, including Coca-Cola. What's happening?
Coke and a smile.
Coke and a smile.
We talked last week. We got within pennies of taking profits, but we got it the next day, so that was great. 50% profit on that short-term trade. Newmont Mining, not so good there. We had to salvage that trade. Gold's really gone nowhere. It's gone essentially straight down. We're now at the lowest level since June. It even went lower this week. So that runs down those two trades that we exited. But we did enter Merck last week.
You did.
Merck did have a little bit of a pop. It popped yesterday. So new highs that we've made over the course of a month, pushing to 57. So it looks like it could fill in that gap to 57.80. Then we can take some profits.
Let's take a look at the WPI trade trigger. The next trade is Twitter.
Twitter.
The bird's back.
The bird is back once again. Now, Twitter in the big picture has been trading between 14 and 20. Now, that target's 26 on a breakout. This last little downturn in Twitter, 20 held as support, so that's rather significant. It looks like it wants to make new highs one more time. 26 is that target that I talked about, which also is a magnet because it's the original IPO price a couple years ago.
Alan, what else can you tell us about the Twitter trade?
Well, the Twitter trade is a 20 call because that was a key level of support. It's December 22nd is the option, so we've got about 10 days of time. We're right now at about the 21.75 level, so if we do take out those highs, hopefully we get a quick little pop to 24 and the bird will be chirping.
We will be watching that weekly trade. Now, let's take a look at the trading floor takeaways. You call this a December to remember.
Yeah, no matter what happens from here on out, it's still been a historic year. The S&P's up 19%, the Dow's up 24%, and the NDX, the top tech stocks, up 31%. So enjoy 2017.
And then there's that rate reality.
Yes, they will raise rates today. Yes, it's a done deal.
No questions.
No questions. Now, looking further out, because that's what markets do, there's a 50% chance that there'll be another hike in March and another 50% chance in September. Even with all these hikes, we'll still be around the 2% level for short-term rates. So not a concern for the stock market yet.
And then last on your list, holiday hours, because we are starting to get into that holiday time when people are going to be leaving the trading floors.
Right. At the end of next week, the volumes will slow down even more. We've had a great year. Hopefully you've banked some profits and you've got some great gains to talk about in 2017. It's been a great year, but I expect more in 2018.
So do we. Thanks so much.
Thank you.